In this video, we'll show you how to easily create and submit your dispute letters to the credit bureaus with a couple clicks of the mouse. The first thing you'll want to do is upload your driver's license and proof of residence. These will automatically be attached to your dispute letters and sent to the bureaus. Next, you'll simply click on Create Dispute Letters. On this screen, the system will automatically highlight the negative items on your credit report that can be disputed. The best part about this is that although you can manually choose the dispute reason if you'd like, our intelligent AI reads the negative items and automatically suggests the best dispute reason for you. You'll simply scroll through the negative items and click the Process Dispute button, which will instantly add the account along with all the necessary information into the dispute letter for you. Once you've scrolled through your negative items and chose to process dispute on the items in question, that's it. All you need to do now is submit the letters to the credit bureau. You have the option to either print the letters and mail them yourself, or use our auto mail system that will send them to the bureaus on your behalf. Repairing your credit has never been so fast, easy, and effective. Congratulations on taking the step forward in life and investing in your future.